Before choosing the AOC gaming monitor, there are some unexpected drawbacks you should be aware of. Stay until the end of this video to find out more. The AOC gaming monitor features a sleek, three-sided frameless design with red accents, giving it a modern and dynamic gaming look. The tilt adjustment allows you to set the screen angle to your preference. With multiple connectivity options, including HDMI, DisplayPort, and VGA, this monitor provides flexibility for various devices. But does the build quality match the premium feel of its competitors? For the latest deals, check out the Amazon link in the video description. With its 27-inch IPS panel, the AOC gaming monitor delivers vibrant colors and wide viewing angles. Its 165Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond response time ensure smooth gameplay, making it ideal for fast-paced gaming. The support for AMD FreeSync Premium and G-Sync compatibility minimizes tearing and stuttering, ensuring a seamless gaming experience. But how does it compare to other models in its price range? Want more in-depth reviews? Subscribe to our channel to stay updated. So, what are the strengths and weaknesses of the AOC gaming monitor? Cons: limited ergonomics, only tilt adjustment, no USB-C ports. Built-in speakers are disappointing for audiophiles. Full HD resolution on a 27-inch screen may lack sharpness. Pros: high refresh rate for smooth gameplay. IPS panel with vibrant colors and wide viewing angles. Supports FreeSync Premium and G-Sync. Sleek, frameless design. The AOC gaming monitor delivers an impressive package for gamers who prioritize smooth frame rates and vibrant colors. Despite some limitations, such as basic ergonomics and full HD resolution on a 27-inch screen, it performs well for its price. Looking for a reliable gaming monitor? This might be the right choice for you. For the latest deals, check out the Amazon link in the video description. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments.